Welcome to my channel, and now we're going to unbox this. This is a office chair here. Okay. Just remove it. Just wait. I have a pillow. Just a pillow for your head here. And this is for the lower back. This one is the instruction. Well, this is the default sandal. Armrest. Adjustable armrest. For the leg. Four wheels.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't wait.
Now we're going to install this office chair. You're going to help me, Kuya. So Irvin is going to help me to assemble this one. Okay, let's go. Let's start. Here, we need to remove this screw, so we can put this. So just align.
Yeah.
You align here.
Yeah.
So you can see the hole.
Oh yeah.
Then put the screw again.
Okay.
I'll put this side and you put that side.
Oh yes. Here.
Give me the other one. Thank you.
Oh. What?
There. Can you see?
Oopsies. I can fix it. Oh, it's this one.
The armrest. So this one going to
Because
what?
I go to remove this side.
There's only one side. There's only one side. So here, see this part. You just put that to the stopper. Like that. So this part.
Oh yeah.
So here, we'll put this.
And look, I can
Bracket.
see more plastics in here.
So this T bracket will I'm going to put it here, just like that. I'll put the screw. Like that. Am I right?
Let me check.
Then after that,
Look,
just
look, it's.
you just put it here, right?
Oh.
So this part will connect here.
Yep.
Then
Then push. Push.
push.
Yep.
Like that.
Yes. Good.
You sure?
Definitely.
You see here. Then we insert this one. Then just like this part.
Oh, how to do that?
It's hard, Kuya.
It's it.
Yeah, it's hard already. So we're going to remove this. And look at K. Irvin. He's busy. Say hi.
Hi.
Nakalagay pa sa ano mo.
Here down.
Yeah. So we'll put this like you just
I want to play with you.
what?
To count. To do who. Now I need the. Give me the.
Here. Oh. Then we're going to put this over here. That outside. Go. About you, Kuya, are you done? What's happened to you? You need help? Okay, so next is this. We're going to install this. I'll put the other one there. Oh,
Okay.
just push. Just push it down. Like this, oh.
Where's the other thing?
There you go. Then this next is this one.
Hello. Hello. I want to put this. I know.
Just put like that.
The big one first.
Yeah.
Like that.
Sit.
Hold on. It's next to the right next. Like, can you feel the hole? It's right here, Dad. Good. There. You're pushing it. There. Just push it.
Arvin, thumbs up. It's extra.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad,
Yeah.
baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious. I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only got one